Tesla's best-selling electric SUV just got even better. The 2026 Model Y is here with refinements that matter. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we explore vehicles shaping the future of transportation. Today, we're diving into Tesla's updated crossover that continues to dominate the EV market. Design. The Model Y maintains Tesla's signature minimalist aesthetic with subtle refinements for 2026. The sleek aerodynamic profile maximizes efficiency while turning heads on the road. Updated exterior lighting adds modern flair, and the panoramic glass roof creates an airy, spacious cabin feel. Inside, the clean dashboard design centers around the massive touchscreen display. Premium materials throughout elevate the interior quality, while the spacious 5- or 7-seat configuration offers genuine versatility. Performance. Electric power delivers instant acceleration that never gets old. The dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration provides confident handling in all weather conditions. The low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery creates surprisingly engaging driving dynamics for an SUV. Range exceeds 300 miles on a single charge, making range anxiety a past. The regenerative braking system extends efficiency while providing smooth one-pedal driving capability. Features and technology. Tesla packed the Model Y with cutting-edge technology. The massive central touchscreen controls virtually every vehicle function with intuitive simplicity. Enhanced Autopilot offers advanced driver assistance for highway driving. Over-the-air updates continuously improve the vehicle after purchase. The premium sound system delivers concert-quality audio, and the expansive cargo space with power liftgate makes this SUV genuinely practical for everyday life. Conclusion. The 2026 Model Y proves electric vehicles are no longer the future, they're the present. It combines performance, technology, and practicality in a package that makes sense for real families. This is the electric SUV benchmark. Thinking about going electric? Let us know your thoughts below. If you found this review valuable, smash that like button and share it with anyone considering an EV. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for comprehensive vehicle coverage and hit the notification bell. Catch you in the next review.